Winthrop Lee Bradshaw, best known as Lee, is a role model who persevered in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Born in Cambridge, Maryland, Lee joined the United States Air Force in 1951. During this time, he learned to fly and received his private pilot certificate in 1952. Following his military service, he earned a degree at Parks College of Aeronautical Technology in St. Louis. In 1958, Lee was hired as a pilot at Northwest Airlines and permanently relocated to Minneapolis. In his spare time, Lee enjoyed flying sport aircraft and began giving demonstrations in a Pitts aerobatic airplane. During one of his demonstrations at an air show in Waseca, he misjudged a maneuver and crashed on the airport grounds. He was fortunate to have been cut out of the mangled aircraft and survived, but he was severely injured and told he would never walk again, much less fly. His career at Northwest Airlines appeared to be over. Lee's aviation journey did not end there, however. He was determined to keep flying, and because flying gliders did not require a medical, he began flying all over again. He went on to acquire his commercial glider license, as well as his glider instructor rating, proving that his injuries would not prevent his safe operation of an aircraft. Over those years, he was also able to convince the FAA that he should be allowed to regain his second-class medical certificate, and with that, his private pilot's license. To prove himself able, he proceeded to earn a commercial helicopter rating as well as a helicopter instructor certificate. As if that wasn't enough, Lee earned a multi-engine seaplane rating, bought a gyroplane, earned a gyroplane rating, and became a designated pilot examiner. Eventually, the FAA relented and issued him a first-class medical. He then returned to Northwest Airlines, flying as a captain on the Boeing 747 at his previous seniority until he retired at age 60. In retirement, Lee continued to attend the glider competitions in Albert Lea every year. Lee passed away in 2017 at the age of 84. At his memorial service, his daughter told of the time he turned his kids loose in the boundary waters with nothing but a map, a compass, and the recommendation that they track several miles into unfamiliar territory to meet him for supper. He then headed away in his canoe. He was constantly pushing them to take on new challenges and to persevere. Lee was an inspiration to those around him, and he leaves a lasting impression on those lucky enough to have known him. We are proud to be inducting Winthrop Lee Bradshaw into the Minnesota Aviation Hall of Fame.